Hey, what is up YouTube? Welcome back to the Custom Adventurist. Alright, so today I'll be comparing the Beats Fit Pro versus a fake pair of Beats Fit Pro. Alright, let's do it!
I think the ones I have now are fake.
So yeah, probably better than the ones I have right now.
I got the two earbuds right here. One is real and one is fake, and I want to give you guys about 2 seconds to guess which one is the fake. Ready, set, go. Okay. This one is the fake. Alright, perfect. This one actually has a plastic wrap. I don't know why it has it, because the real one doesn't. But let's unbox the two and we can get to comparing them. Alright, let's do this. Just a disclaimer, these Beats Fit Pros cost around 200 bucks. These cost around 20 to 25 bucks. So we got a big price difference right here.
Yo! You need to subscribe! Hey.
Let's do this. Okay. So I'm going to take off the plastic of the fake one first. Goodbye, plastic. Okay. Alright, looking at the boxes first of all, they're literally identical in size. And they literally look identical on the picture too. This one might be a little bit darker. The image, let's see the sides. This one is like protruding up and open already, but we got a little bit different here. The words, the back. All the images basically look the same, but the words are a little bit different. This one has a QR code. I guess this one doesn't have spatial audio, where this one does. The bottom, we have pull tabs on the real one. On the fake, we don't have anything. All right, perfect. Let's get the two open and see what we got going. All right, start with the fake. Okay, so we got the fake ones that opened from the top. Interesting. Where the real ones, we got some pull tabs on the bottom. Let's pull these out. Whoo, that's satisfying. Let's see what we got here.
Yeah, boy.
Ooh, yeah, perfect. All right. And then I think these are going to just open like this, right? Okay. So we got the real ones right here on the left, the right, and the fake ones on the right. Oh, okay. Yeah, whatever. Okay. We got the inner box right here. One has the Beats logo where the other one doesn't. Oh, it like it's caving in on itself. Okay. All right. Oh, frig. Okay. All right, opening the real ones. We get the Beats Fit Pro and oh, they're a little janky. And the fake, oh no, they're falling apart. Okay. Oh, freak! We got them back. Okay, so these are the real ones right here. Wow, look at this case. It's like the Power Beats Pros, but just like miniaturized. Interesting. Okay, see what else we got in the box here. It says to pair, keep earbuds in case with lid open. Okay, perfect. Perfect. And then we got some ear tips and a USB-C to C charging cable. Awesome. And we got some stickers. Nice. And a manual. And let's get to the fake. Okay. Our packaging is already falling apart here, but that's okay. All right, it's to be expected here. Okay, now we got the... Okay, these are the Beats Fit Pros now. Okay. Oh, they're already looking a little not as good. That's okay though. And inside we got some ear tips and we have a USB type A to USB type C charging cable. Okay, so a little bit different there. And so if you ever buy some Beats Fit Pros and they look like this, they're definitely fake. Let's get right into the pairing of the two. All right, let's connect the two earbuds to my phone. See how they do. Let's start with the real one, Beats Fit Pro. All right, opening the case. They should just have the Apple W1 chip. They should just connect right up. Let's see. Hello, anybody home? Ah, there we go. There we go. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All right, click connect. Okay, awesome. Just like that, we got them all connected. That's all I needed. Perfect. All right, now let's try to connect the fake pair. Do they have the W1 thing? Let's try taking them out of the earbuds or out of the case, see what they do. Okay. Oh, they do have it. No way. All right. Click connect. No freaking way. That's wild. No way that they had it. Okay. Wow. And it appears we do have this fancy chip thing too. That is awesome. And these are the clones. Let's go. Okay. Beautiful. All right, now I want to check the menus. Oh, they look exactly the same. I'm going to put these in my ears and we can check what type of menu options we got. So they have transparency. Oh, no way. And they have noise cancellation. No way. These are actually way better than the old ones. The old ones suck. Press and hold. This is our button control. Ear tip fit test. They even have that. Okay. Good seal. Automatic ear detection, connect to iPhone automatically. Spatial audio, no way, they have that too. Wow, these are just like the AirPods actually. That's super awesome that they've been able to actually finally improve their products, because before they were pretty bad. So this is awesome. I like this a lot. I like this a lot. Okay, so that's what we got. Wait, let's see what we got in the menu. If they, oh, okay, they even have their little icon there. We have all this. That's cool. That's cool. That's cool. I like that. Okay, I'm gonna try the clones in the ears, see what they're like. See if we get the same menu deal. All right, I got these ones. Okay, these ones do not have ear sensors like the other ones. Connected. Okay, transparency, and it's not working. Okay, so it has a bunch of the functions, but it's not working. Okay, so they connect really weird. Okay, I'm getting a gist of it now. But yeah, okay.
After comparing the two earbuds side by side, the cases have a few differences. For example, we got the LED on the fake, which is lower than where it is on the real, and the lid is a little bit different. It's a little bit more janky. It's not as clean as the original. The Beats logo is actually not painted on as well either. We can see that one is a lot more clear and the other one kind of looks like it's fading off. The charging place looks pretty similar overall. The seams aren't as clean as the original. But here's another look at the top. We can see that paint is just not as strong. Looks a little bit more fake, essentially. On the side, we got another pic of the lid. The lid on the fake is a little bit worse. It's a little bit weaker, and it might even be a little bit taller. When it comes to the earbuds, they are a little bit different as well. The paint as well on the earbuds is a little bit weaker. We can tell right there. There's also this extra seam that the other one doesn't have. They don't have a bunch of the ear sensors and the ear slots and all that stuff. We can tell that, see the difference right here. They have just a little bit different design right here. This one doesn't have an ear sensor where the real one does. And we got the two side by side. Same thing. And the fake also looks a little bit cheaper. The plastic kind of just looks a little more rough around the edges and doesn't quite look as good as the original. I got my friend Reagan here.
So
he's gonna be trying out the headphones for us. We need you to put this blindfold on.
all right.
Okay? We got one of these is real and the other one is fake.
Well, I don't know where the entrance is, but otherwise they feel pretty much identical. I'm feeling what might be either a hinge or a charging port. Dude, I'm trying to
Figure out how to open it.
this is a puzzle and it's, oh, got it. Okay, opening that feels kind of cheap. Am I allowed to take them out?
Yeah, you can take them out.
Okay, I'm taking them out. Holding on to this, I don't know if this is real or fake, but okay. I realized my mistake in saying that the opening and closing felt cheap because it feels almost the same actually. And once again, just from feeling it, I cannot feel any differences.
Okay.
Oh,
yeah,
I can see. All right.
Make sure they're connected here.
It's got a nice, comfortable fit. The music seems almost a little distant. Okay, I could feel that bass. Vocals are nice and clear. Song's a bop.
Okay.
Yeah, the vocals are very clear. Bass is nice, so these are really well done.
Can you hear me talk better now?
I can hear you talk better now.
What about now?
What about now?
Can you hear me now?
No. Or I mean,
A little bit faker.
the fact that I can already tell these are the fake ones. The bass is not nearly as defined in these ones. Feeling it experience that I was talking about earlier, not really getting that with these ones. The vocals are actually pretty decent, but I think that's just because they increase some of the high-end ranges on these ones. I wanna really. Yeah, bass is almost non-existent. I mean, they're still very comfortable in the ears. Like that's something that not every earbud is able to get, so.
I know that I can find the fake in 2 seconds. Make the test as hard as possible. Grab me an earbud. Okay.
There's one earbud for you right there.
Fake.
Are you sure about that?
Yep.
How can you tell?
Want me to tell you? Okay, so this one is a fake, doesn't it? It doesn't have the ear sensor right here. The ear tip was smaller, and it just felt cheaper, you know? Faker!
Hey, that's impressive.
Yeah.
You are correct.
Need no introduction. Was here before.
Right.
Faker.
Feels pretty similar, to be honest. This one has like a weird hole in it. I don't know if that's it. I think that's where you charge it. It's like, you know, they don't have like the magnet to when like they go in. Let's see if this one's not faker. The magnet like pulls it in.
Okay, so what's your conclusion? Which one
So
is the fake?
I think the one here is right, this one's the fake.
Okay.
And then this one's the real. Oh, there we go. Perfect.
Okay.
These are the ones I said were real. Oh, okay. Don't know the song. Oppa Gangnam Style. So I feel like the noise on that one is like a bit further away, like more distant. I can't really hear it even with the sound up. So, but it sounds good. Like you can hear the song. So, and it's comfortable as well. So this song is such a banger, bro. The bass is coming. Oppa Gangnam Style. Alright. We're gonna make me sing this for real.
Yes.
Dog goes woof, cat goes meow, mouse goes squeak, cow goes moo, frog goes croak, and the elephant goes toot. But there's one sound that no one knows. What does the fox say? Ring ding 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 ding. For the review, I feel like the sound is not like super clean. Yeah, it comes out not super clean. I feel like it was louder than the other one. I don't know. For me, that tells me the quality sometimes is better. I don't know if this one's faker, but... Okay, I think if I had to say, I think the ones I have now are fake. And the other ones are real, I would say.
That is correct.
Yeah! 2 for 2, baby!
Make sure to like, subscribe, and peace.